Hey guys, Michael here. Today I'm gonna do this video for. I'm gonna do a video on how to make a mashup using DJ Mixer Studio. All right. So what we're gonna do is click allow so that I can view your files and stuff. All right. That's gonna load up. All right. Then click. See this one right here? Whoops. See this one right here? Click it. Then click on video. Then click on one of your videos. Audio. Okay. I have to click on one first. Alright, I'm doing this one. This one is the beat. Okay. And the second. Alright, and then I gotta click on two. If you're wondering how to change the tempo to make the tempo match the beat, it's quite easy. Click on key lock. Alright. Now, I'm gonna show you. Alright, I'm gonna let the mix play. Ah, crap, the sync failed. Whoops. If it says sync failed, just swipe out of it. Then get back on it. Okay. Alright, get back on. Alright, remember, make the volume equal. See how I'm moving the volume then? Make it equal. Alright? Then make the tempo equal by clicking sync. Alright, listen to this, okay? Listen. See? It's not very offbeat. There are some moments where it's offbeat, but that's because of the beat. Alright? Listen to that. Boom. Listen to that. Pow. Alright. That's how to make a mix on DJ Studio 2018. DJ Mixer Studio 2018. When I know it's 2019, but anyway, here. That's it for this video, guys. Bye.